Friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a Corsa AI account. So all you have to do is go ahead and head over to Corsair.com, and on the upper right hand side you will see sign in but not sign up. So just go ahead and click on sign in. You're taken over to this page here where you can easily go ahead and enter your email address. If you have a GitHub or a Google account, it makes it even more simpler because you can just simply click and continue with Google, and you're going to use your Gmail account to quickly sign in. And look how easy is that. I'm in my account, I'm in my profile, and the upper right hand side you can see that I have my account. It says log out. I can log out from here, and here right here in the home overview page you can always upgrade if you want to upgrade to pro. On the left hand side you have things such as your username. Here you can simply click there and change that if you so desire. You have your overview, you have your usage, billing, integration, settings, and of course docs and contacts. And that's it. You're right in your account, guys. Very easy and very simple.